Yes, you have your eggs. Break your eggs into the plate. Break the first egg. Break the second egg. Beat the egg together properly. Whisk it together with either an egg whisker or a fork, just like what I'm doing there. Whisk it properly. Let it be properly mixed. Properly mixed. Yes, you add your sugar. Quantity of sugar you want to add. You add your sugar and whisk it together. Mix it properly, very well. Mix it till it gives you somehow fluffy mixture. Whisk it together. This is your flour. Pour in your flour into the mixture. A cup of flour, pour it into the mixture and turn it. Mix it till it's properly mixed. While you are mixing, you also put other ingredients. You put your 1 teaspoon of baking powder and your 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. You add your milk, whichever quantity of milk, liquid milk or powdered milk, and then you mix it together. You keep mixing it. Mix it till it becomes evenly mixed. Till it becomes evenly mixed. If it's a bit thick, you add some more liquid milk into it. Then you add your melted butter. You add your melted butter and mix everything together. Carefully, you mix everything together. Yes, so you have your mixture now. This is your vanilla sponge cake, homemade vanilla sponge cake without using an oven. You oil your pan using oil or butter. Oil your pan, and then after that you sprinkle a little flour into the pan. Sprinkle a little flour into the pan. Then you turn in your mixture. Turn your mixture into the pan. Turn your mixture into the pan. You know, this is our sponge cake without using an oven. You're going to heat up the pot on the cooker, but inside the pot heat up the pot on the cooker, pour some garri inside it, and then cover it tight. It has to be airtight for about 45 minutes. And this is it. Your sponge cake is ready. Your sponge cake is ready. Well baked. Without an oven. There you go. So, this is homemade without an oven. Very easy way. You can try it out. Thanks for watching.